Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Scorpios. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Scorpios, you can watch the pick a card love reading, so that will follow this general energy. You can stay tuned for that reading, guys. So let's see what are these cards first. So we have Page of Cups in reverse, Judgment, and Nine of Pentacles. So in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. Today you are facing some kind of obstacles, guys, maybe in your work. The people around you, your colleagues or your mentor, someone, they are not speaking the truth. They are hiding certain things, maybe to benefit themselves. So some kind of selfishness or maybe for some reason they have some prejudice against you. Maybe they feel that you are a really skilled and talented person and they do not want to help you in any way and they want to succeed. And you are a successful person, so some kind of jealousy they may have towards you, guys. They are jealous of you and they envy you for your skills and talents. And today, for some reason, you may have something holding you back. It may be an illness, you are sick, or someone in your situation is sick, suffering, and you feel really bad about that and you're worried about this person. So this may be someone really close to you and you are in a position to take care of them, maybe, guys, and that may be holding you back. And but whatever your situation is, guys, whether let it be jealousy in your work or some sickness in your personal life, it may be your sickness or someone's sickness, guys, it may be your person, whatever it is, you are feeling that balance and harmony today. You have that sense of serenity, guys, because you accept your situation. And maybe you are your situation, you see a change in your situation, a change towards something positive. Maybe this person is on the road to healing, recovery. And in your work also, maybe the people who envy you or who are jealous of you are changing their ways and they are understanding you better. So some kind of a positive change is what is happening today in your life, guys, and it is giving you hope and faith in your future and you're feeling really happy for it. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Seven of Pentacles. So with this card, you are happy with the way things are in your relationship today, guys. Happy with this person, happy to be with them, you enjoy their company. So that may be the reason we have this card. So some kind of emotional satisfaction, contentment and joy you are having in this relationship, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Queen of Wands. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you are feeling really honored and happy because things are changing, going in a positive way in your situation, guys, and you're moving towards positive, lucrative returns in your work situation, guys, Scorpios. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Scorpios. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and first crystal. This is your second card and second crystal. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. So let's start the reading with the first card, guys. For those who chose this card and this crystal. So we will keep this card aside. So this is the card for you all, guys. Be content. So it just means serenity, acceptance and peace in our situation. So how do we find contentment in our circumstance? We face a lot of struggles, stress, and we fear everything in our situation. Maybe it is time we find that space within ourselves where we are able to accept certain things as they are. Maybe it is time we accept it as they are to give us that peace of mind. So this does not mean that you need to be complacent. It just contentment. It just means that accepting everything in our life as it is. Maybe certain things we are able to change, we have control over. But certain things which we cannot control, we should not let those things hijack our life, take control of us. So you need to embrace the things that you can change for the better, both in your internal and external environment, and working on to make the necessary changes one step at a time. But for those changes which we cannot change or which we do not have any control, we must accept it as it is and do not feel any pain or feeling lost because we are unable to control that circumstance or that choice or that person. So whatever it is, guys. So living one day at a time, not worrying about the past or stressing about the future. So that will also help to bring peace of mind, harmony, balance and serenity in our hearts, guys. So that is the angel's guidance with this card for you all, guys. For those who chose this card, this is the time for peace and happiness, and the way to do that is accepting your situation as it is without stressing. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, it says building blocks. So in our life, in this situation, maybe we are making a great progress in our life and things are gaining momentum right now in our situation, and it is an extraordinary time to focus on the things that are important to us today, guys. Maybe in this relationship, it just means that we are moving towards some new connection, some new relationship, or we are making the existing relationship much more better. We are laying that strong foundation. And how to have that strong foundation in this connection? We must build it on honesty, humility, clear understanding, and that desire and that love to know each other, understand each other. So by doing that, we are forming a strong foundation in this relationship, and that way this relationship will withstand any storm or any tough time that we face together, and it will help us to repair and strengthen this connection we have with each other, and we both will grow wiser, powerful, and stronger together. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So in the same way, even in our work situation, the right way to build a strong foundation in our career is by having that positive intentions. So whatever dreams and aspirations we need for us to reach the goals we have in our life, we must feel inspired to do that, and we should march on towards the truth with that truth in our heart. So we want to achieve certain things, we must put our honest efforts, so that way we will be able to reach success very soon, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.